Hello, everyone. Welcome to a weather briefing for the 21st to 22nd of January 2024. Happy 2024, by the way. Let's get started. So, here are the road conditions for Iowa. Looks like the blue. So here are the Iowa road conditions. So looks like in some areas the roads are seasonally covered. The blue, that's the green. The blue are the roads are partially covered, like ice, snow, and all that. So looks like basically the road conditions are kind of not okay for Iowa. So here are the alerts for the United States. So pretty much, if you look at Missouri, pretty much the entire state is covered in winter weather advisories. And looks like Illinois is covered in winter weather advisories pretty much. Same with Indiana, the east part of Kansas. The looks like there are some in central Oklahoma. Looks like maybe some ice storm warnings or ice storm watches or something. So here are the Missouri road conditions. So looks like roads are seasonal for the most part. Now looks like the roads are kind of normal. Yeah, they're mostly clear for like half of Missouri. So from like St. Louis to Kansas City. So look, those roads are covered there. So, and looks like up near like Chillicothe, Macon, and Kirksville, those roads looks like they're mostly clear, have some stuff on them. And looks like the roads up in like northwest Missouri, up here in the northern corner, of there, looks like they're partially covered. And that looks like they're partially covered, like almost in the northwest central of Missouri. Anyway, let's move on to the models. Okay, so here is the HRRR precipitation type, which we're going to be looking at for the next 18 hours. Let's look at this. So looks like near Springfield, they could be getting freezing rain around like 10 p.m. Tonight on Sunday, January 21st, 2024. And that's at 10 p.m. So, and then it'll start, most of Missouri will start getting stuff around like probably southwest to central Missouri will start to get it around 1. But when it'll enter the St. Louis metro will be around, it'll probably enter around maybe 1 a.m. as soon as it can enter. But when it'll start entering heavily, which it'll be entering there about like 3 a.m. and then it'll end probably for the St. Louis metro around like probably sometime in the afternoon maybe. So freezing rain's gonna be going on pretty much all night. So let's move on to the freezing rain totals, which is ice. Okay, here are the freezing rain totals. So when storm's gonna start entering Missouri, there's gonna be like 0.08 of an inch. And then when it's gonna start most of it start falling is gonna be probably around 3 a.m. And then around the St. Louis metro, we'll start to get it all around like 0.08 of an inch, which that's almost a lot. So that's just starting. So looks like that's around 6 a.m. And then it's gonna keep falling. And then looks like maybe then we could get like almost 1/4 of an inch. So I'll keep going until, okay, so here's the model where it could get very intense, which is around like 6 a.m. on Tuesday, which probably isn't gonna probably be true. We could probably be on the ground like in between, like when all of it's done falling, we could have potentially like 1/100 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch, or maybe even what I saw earlier, 1/2 an inch. That doesn't look true. So anyway, I'll probably just post when I feel like it, and not a community post to explain all of this, to explain more about it when it's updated. So I'll post some images and some text with the images. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you guys like. Also, when you click the description of my channel, there will be a link to JD's Tips and Tricks in which you can find the community tab and then the community post. Anyway, bye.